So we are going to try some parts from this exercise 7C. So people have asked for 1B first of all. Okay, let me just change the size of the nib here. So 1B. So 1B, you have the equation that is y equals 2x minus 5 to the power 4, and you're given the point 2 comma 1. Now guys, you have to write down the equation of the tangent here, okay? So first of all, you see tangent is a line, and when you have to write down the equation of the line, you need a point, you need the gradient. The gradient will be obtained through differentiation. So you will differentiate this first of all. Remember which technique, when to use which technique, okay? So this is your second technique has to be used here. So this will be 4 into 2x minus 5 raised to power 3 times 2. So that is 8 into 2x minus 5 raised to power 3. Next, you will be substituting the point that you have here. The point is 2 comma 1. So you will be putting x equal to 2 into this. So that will give you the gradient of the tangent. So when you put x2 here, this is going to be 8 into 2 twos are 4 minus 5 whole cube. And this gives you minus 8. So you have got the gradient. You already had the point, okay? So the equation of the tangent is going to be, equation of the tangent is going to be y minus y1, that is m into x minus x1. So this is y minus 1 equal to minus 8x plus 16. So you have y is equal to 17 minus 8x. That is the required equation of the tangent. Got it, bacho? You take the screenshot quickly because now I'll be moving on to the C part, 1C. Okay, 1C. This 1C is, okay, you have in the C part, your y is equal to x cube minus 5 over x. The point is minus 1, 6. Now, obviously, when you have to find the gradient through the differentiation, you really need to be very good at the differentiation. If you people are facing problems in differentiation, then you need to go back to the exercise 7a and 7b and you try those basic questions from scratch. Okay. Otherwise, you will keep on facing problems while writing these equations. Okay, so for this you will be using the first technique. For that you have to split all of them, these like this. Okay, so this becomes x squared and you can write it as minus 5x to the power minus 1. So now we can differentiate it. This is going to be dy by dx. This is 2x plus minus 1 into minus 5 give you 5. And then there is x to the power minus 2. And I'll be writing it as 5 over x squared. So now I will be I'll put x equal to minus 1 into it. So that will give me the gradient of the tangent. This is minus 2 plus 5, and that is going to be equal to 3. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is going to be, equation of the tangent is going to be y minus 6, that is equal to 3 into x plus 1. So here, mere putro, this is the required equation. That is going to be y equal to 3x plus 3 and this plus 9. I think this is the, let me check the answer. Yeah, this is the C part, y equal to 3x plus 9. Okay. So, is there any other part that I need to do for you people?
Sir,
Two,
sir, एक question number one.
two का कौन सा बेटा? Two,
B part.
2B.
B last.
Okay, beta, 2B. Okay. So I'll be doing this 2B now for you people. Okay, 2B.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
Question number one D part भी कर दें please.
अच्छा बेटा, let me do
सर
this.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के अंदर उसके अंदर हमारे पास एक अंडर रूट 4 है, तो हम अंडर रूट 4 करते हैं तो हमारे पास +2 आता है -2 आता है।
बेटा
हमें ये करना है।
नहीं बेटा, when you have like when I have told you, when the square root is already there, you will not be confusing yourself about plus minus thing. Okay, so if it is minus under root something, that will remain minus. If it is plus under root something, that will remain plus. Okay, if you're applying the square root yourself, then you will be thinking about this, okay, yaar, should I put that plus minus or not? Okay, so 2b. In this 2b, but so I have to write the equation of the normal. Okay, so first of all, I'll be writing my equation in a form that I can really differentiate. So I will be writing this as 3 into x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. That is how I'll be changing. Yes, beta.
लास्ट पार्ट करना है, डी करना है, बी करना है।
Acha, let me finish this b part, beta. Acha, so this is going to be, this is going to give you dy by dx. Basically, you guys are facing problem in differentiating. So you need to, you really need to go back to exercise 7a and b, okay? So this is 3 into minus 1 over 3 into this x plus 1 raised to power minus 4 over 3, okay? So we have minus 1 over x plus 1 raised to power 4 over 3. Now, you have the point here in this, this is the point is minus 2 comma minus 3. So let's put x, let me, this, okay, I'll put x equal to minus 2 here at x equal to minus 2. So this m, I should write m of the tangent, because if you put this value of x into the this derivative, this gives you the gradient of the tangent. So this is going to be minus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 raised to power, yeah, this is minus 2, minus 3 raised to power 4 by 3. So this will be, because of this 4, you can write it as, this is going to be minus 1 over 3 raised to 4 is 81, okay? And this is the cube root of 81. You can keep it in this form, or you can write this in the decimal. Okay, now I have to write down the gradient of the normal now, the gradient of the normal. Okay, so that is going to be the negative reciprocal of this. So that is the cube root of 81. Okay, let me, yes beta.
अरे -2 है +1 है, तो फिर से ये तो माइनस नहीं हो जाएगा।
एक सेकंड बेटा, आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग हियर. Oh, minus 2. Yes, 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 yes. I am rescued. Because I was really confused and I was really getting a very weird value here. So minus 2 plus 1 is going to be minus 1. So this is minus 1. So, so you see, I'm making silly mistakes here. So this has to be covered, this has to be covered. So this is going to be minus 1, okay? So this is going to be minus 1, and the gradient of the normal is going to be 1. You see what kind of silly mistake I made here. So now the equation. Therefore, the equation of the normal. That is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is y is equal to x minus 1. That is the equation of the normal in this 2b. Okay. Someone was asking for this 2d. Let me do that quickly before the class time gets over. Okay. 2d. So beta, please go back to the exercise 7a and 7b, okay? Otherwise, you will really be struggling with all this calculus. Okay, I'll be writing this y is equal to 20 into x square minus, sorry, plus 1 raised to power minus 1. And the point is 3 comma 2. I have moved all this denominator up to the numerator, okay? So now this dy by dx is going to be minus 20 x square plus 1 raised to power minus 2 into this 2x. That is the derivative of x square plus 1. Okay, so this becomes 40 minus 40x over x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, so now you will be putting x as, you will put x equal to 3. Okay, so this is going to give you, you must write it every time. This is going to give you the gradient of the tangent. Okay, so that is minus 40 into 3 over 3 plus 1 is, sorry, 3 square is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 square is going to be 100. Okay, so this is cancel. This is 2 2s are, 2 5s are. This is minus 6 over 5. Therefore, the gradient of the normal, now that will be its negative reciprocal, and hence the equation. So that will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. You simplify this, you will get your required equation. ठीक है बच्चों? Is that fine? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, guys, so this ends our segment on the finding the equations of the tangents and normals when you have the equation of the curve and a point on it. Okay, thank you very much.